Good morning, class. Sorry about the confusion today. I guess if I remove you from the chat, you can come back in for the day. I don't know why. But here I'm going to demonstrate you today's lesson. We are going to make from big shapes, we're going to use little shapes to make a big shape. Okay? So let's look at page 491. We have a trapezoid on top. So let's look over our shapes. This is a trapezoid. This is a rhombus. This is a hexagon. We have a square and a triangle. To make here's a trapezoid. So how many triangles do we need to make a trapezoid? So let's look at the triangles. And you have this website where you could play with these toys on the Google Classroom. So I have a triangle. So you're going to fit it in like a puzzle. So does that look like a good idea to fit in as a puzzle? Does this triangle look like a trapezoid? No. So I guess the best thing is to match up the sides. You see how I'm matching up the sides here? And let's do the next one. Is this matching up the next side here? No, I need to rotate it. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it, turn it around. I'm going to rotate means turn it around. And then look, it matches up with this side and this side. Is my trapezoid finished? Does this look like a trapezoid now? Those two triangles? No, not yet. I would need one more. Let's see if I need one more. Does that look like a trapezoid? It sure does. So how many triangles do we need for this trapezoid? Very good. We needed 3 triangles for this trapezoid. So for your assignment, right, you're going to do this in your notebook and you're going to write 3 triangles. I'm going to write it neatly. Triangles make one trapezoid. And with a period at that. And then it's also important to draw this shape out in your notebook, the big shape, and then inside you do the little shapes so I could see how you fit them all in together. But before you draw them out, I want you to practice on the website so you have an idea how to do that. Let's try another example. We have a hexagon. How many triangles do you think could fit in this hexagon? Give it a good guess. I don't want you to look for an answer. I want you to guess. How many do you think fits in there? And once you're done guessing, I need you to see if you're right or wrong, right? Don't go ask anyone else, or ask your brothers or sisters or anyone else how much. I want you to figure that out on your own. So like this, you could see, am I right? Am I wrong? This is why we guess. It is fun to guess, and it's fun to solve problems like this. So maybe let's make a guess of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 fits in this hexagon. Let's see. Do I fit my triangle like this? Do I put them on top of each other? Is that good? No, right? They shouldn't be on top of each other. They should be touching only their sides, right? So let's put the first one here. Oh, look, that nicely fits in. How do I do the next side? I need to turn this around, and it fits right there. What else? Another triangle. Can that one go on top? No, I need to turn this around until it fits in. And let's see if this one, will this be the last one? Oh, that one could fit on top here. Oh, I have one empty space here. I think I could fit one more triangle. There we go. So I tried to fit as much as I could, as neatly as I can. And there it is. 6 triangles fits in one hexagon. And hexagon, H-E-X, means 6. And why? Because there's 6 sides and 6 corners, which means there's 6 vertices. Let's try another shape. Let's look at this trapezoid. Like on page 491, they asked how many triangles and rhombus do I need to make a trapezoid? Let's see. Let's fit the rhombus in. Is that a good fit? No, because there's a little piece here sticking out, and this piece is sticking out. Gotta make sure it fits the whole shape inside the shape that you're making. So we got that, and we have a triangle, and we'll fit it right there. And look at that. That's a rhombus. So we only need one rhombus and one triangle to make a trapezoid. That's a trapezoid. Is this a trapezoid now that I turned it around? It sure is. It's just turned around. And now I'm putting the rhombus on this side, and I have to turn my triangle around in order to fit it. And it's still a trapezoid that I just made with these 2 shapes. If you want to make yourself challenging, you could try to make the shapes without using this one underneath and see if it matches afterwards. Okay. I know on page 493, number 5, it asks you how to make a V shape or like a book. It looks like a book like this. How many rhombuses do you need to make a shape that looks like a book? Alright, so if I put these 2 side by side, would that look like the shape that is showing inside number 5? Not quite. Maybe if I turn it around, does it look like that? Nope. Now it does. It looks like that. It's a little bit on a different angle, but that's fine. What else does these shapes look like? Could look like a chair if we add some legs to it. Also looks like a laptop, right? If I put this the other way like this, is that still the same shape I just made? It sure is. It's just upside down or in little sideways. So have fun creating different shapes. Okay, I just want to let you know with a trapezoid, you have a square in the middle and 2 triangles on the side. But these triangles that's on the side here make an L shape, you see? There's an L and then there, and then that long piece here. That triangle is not the same type of triangle as this green one. Because this green one, there is no L shape on this green one. You see? If I draw the letter L here. Nope. There's no L shapes on that. And then when we take this square, you could make 2 triangles with this square The way how you do, you make two L-shaped triangles. I know my drawing's not perfect, see? But it's not the same as this green square. That green square means that all sides are equal and all angles are equal in the same length. We'll get more into that when we get older. Alright, have fun playing with shapes.